Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Truckx app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Truckx is an FMCSA-registered electronic logbook (ELD) app designed to help truck drivers and fleet operators manage hours of service, HOS, compliance, vehicle inspections, and real-time GPS tracking. The app connects with a certified ELD device and offers features like automated driving logs, DVIR reports, IFTA fuel tracking, and a user-friendly dashboard that supports both Android and iOS. It's built to simplify DOT compliance and reduce paperwork for drivers on the road. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's straightforward setup and clear interface, which makes log management simple even for those unfamiliar with ELDs. Fleet managers like the real-time tracking and reporting tools, while drivers often mention the responsive customer support. The automatic log recording and alerts for HOS violations also help reduce compliance risks, especially during roadside inspections. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional sync issues between the app and the ELD device, especially after updates. There are also a few complaints about connectivity drops and delays in location updates. While the app is considered affordable, additional features like document scanning or fleet analytics may require extra charges. Also, new users may need some time to fully understand FMCSA logging rules within the app interface. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Truckx app may be worth using if you're a truck driver or fleet operator looking for an affordable FMCSA-compliant ELD solution that's easy to set up and use. It excels in core log keeping, GPS tracking, and HOS alerts. However, if you rely on advanced features or need seamless real-time data sync at all times, the occasional technical hiccups may affect your experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.